Hey everyone! Let's know about 100 essential phrases and how to talk on the phone in English. Before we begin, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now and turn on the bell icon so you never miss powerful English learning content like this. Trust me, your future fluent self will thank you. Now, imagine this. Your phone rings. It's an important call. Maybe a job interview, maybe a client, maybe someone from abroad. Your heart starts racing, your mind goes blank, and suddenly, simple English feels difficult. But what if you could speak confidently, naturally, smoothly, just like a native speaker? Today, we're going to fix that 100%. This is your ultimate guide. 100 essential phrases and how to talk on the phone in English. Stay with me till the end because this might be the video that changes your English speaking life forever. Let's be real for a second. Talking face-to-face is easier. You can see expressions, gestures, body language. But on the phone, no facial clues, no lip reading, no second chance sometimes. It's just your voice and your confidence. That's why many learners feel nervous. But here's the truth. You don't need perfect English. You need the right phrases and natural flow. Let's begin with the most important part, how to start. Hello, this is Raheem speaking. I'm calling regarding the meeting tomorrow. Is this a good time? Hello, this is Razan speaking. How can I help you today? Always smile while speaking. Your voice becomes naturally friendly. May I speak to Mr. John? Is Ahmed available? I'm sorry, he's not here right now. She's currently busy. Can I leave a message? Could you ask her to call me back? Just a moment, please. Let me check that for you. Okay, yes, I found it. Sorry, could you repeat that? I didn't catch that. Could you speak a bit slower? Never pretend. Always ask. Can I take a message? Who's calling, please? Sure, I'll let him know you called. Thank you for calling. It was nice talking to you. Talk to you soon. Have a great day. Hello, this is Raheem speaking. Hi, Raheem. This is John. How are you? I'm good, thanks. How can I help you? I'm calling about the project update. Sure, let me check that for you. Listen carefully. You don't become fluent by watching. You become fluent by speaking. Repeat after me. Practice daily. Even if you make mistakes, keep going. Hello, this is? May I speak to? Hold on a moment. Let me check. I'll call you back. Can you repeat that? Speak slowly, please. That's perfect. Sounds good. Thank you. Talk soon. One day, you will answer calls confidently. You will speak without fear. And people will say, "Wow, your English is so good." That day starts today.